Hello, sir. This is the English speaking mock test at English Fantasy, and basically, you are a basic student. That's why I will ask you that kind of questions which is related to basic. Okay. So, sir, what is your name?
According to my all documents, my certificate, passport, my full name is Muhammad Junaid Hussain Al Amin. You may call me as Al Junaid only.
Okay. Junaid, sir, where are you from?
Came from the most famous and most beautiful district in whole Bangladesh. Came from Noakhali.
Okay, that sounds great. So, do you like your hometown?
Obviously, I always like my hometown because there is lots of natural places.
Okay. So, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white because white provide symbol of peace. That's why I like always white.
Okay. So, sir, do you like any kind of sports?
Basically, I don't like any type of sports because sports is a dangerous thing. Sometimes we broke our leg, sometimes we broke our hand, and sometimes injury of our head.
Okay. I think you are afraid of sports, Norris. So, do you like to listen music or movie?
No, sir, because I'm a Muslim. That's why I always listen the Holy Quran, and sometimes I listen Islamic nasheed. That's why I didn't listen to any kind of music.
That sounds great. So, sir, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books, and I always read Islamic books. And when the early in the morning, I read the Holy Quran.
That's great hobby. Not everyone can catch this kind of hobbies. Okay, sir, how many family members do you have in your family?
According to me, I have four my family member: my father, mother, and my elder brother.
Okay, so sir, this is the end of your speaking test, and you have done well. Your grammar is quite good. Your speaking is quite good. Also, your fluency is so much good. I don't wanna give you that kind of bad feedback to you, but you have to just focus on some vocabularies. Then you can broaden your speaking more and more. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so have a